the i8 TWS colored AirPod style alternative. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be looking at the i88 TWS AirPod style earbuds. These are sold by Knockies. They sent these out for me to review. And as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide and a micro USB cable for charging. There are many versions of these AirPod style or clone earbuds. The i88 TWS features improved sounds and offer a variety of colors. They come in 5 different colors: white, black, gray, aqua, and red. I have the black and red. And just to go over some brief specs, they have 3 hours of listening time, 12 plus hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, micro USB for charging, touch controls, and improved sound quality. The charging case has a matte finish all around, so it provides a nice grip. On the bottom front, you have a set of LED lights that will provide you the charge status. And on the bottom, you have the charging port. The back is clear and there is no button or manufacturer markings. Opening the lid, you have access to the earbuds. The earbuds are very light and also have a matte finish to them. There is an LED in the middle of each stem, and it only blinks during the pairing process, not while in use. If you prefer to use just one earbud, it will have to be the left side only. And here you can see the charging contacts on the bottom. And here's a black version. This one looks pretty sharp. Everything's the same. You have the LEDs on the bottom, the charging port, and the matte finish all around. And this is how the earbuds look. The earbuds use touch controls, and they can be accessed by tapping on each side. Tap once for play, pause, or end call. Tap 2 times for next track. Tap 3 times for previous track, and hold down for 3 seconds for Google or Siri. Here I have the Apple AirPods 2. And this is how the cases look side by side. It's very similar. And now the earbuds side by side. And now let's take some measurements. The i88 TWS case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 inches. The Apple AirPod case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 inches. Weight-wise, the i88 case comes in at 26 grams. and the AirPod case comes in at 41 grams. The I88 earbuds come in at about 7 grams, and the AirPods come in at about 8 grams. And now a microphone comparison between the I88 TWS and the Apple AirPods. This is a test of the audio of the I88 TWS earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the Apple AirPods microphone. This audio is coming from the microphone from the Apple AirPods. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Also, when it comes to watching videos, I didn't experience any lag with the I88s. So here are my thoughts on the I88 TWS. Sound can be subjective and everyone has different preferences when it comes to sound signatures. When it comes to comfort, I found them to be very comfortable and it has the identical feel of the original AirPods. You can wear it for long periods of time and you don't feel the pressure in your ear canals. For build quality, I find it a bit cheap. It does feel flimsy, but these are a fraction of the cost of the AirPods. I do like the matte finish because it provides a nice grip. Sound is definitely an improvement. If I would compare these with the i12s, these definitely have more bass, and it has a bit more punch to it. Mids and highs were okay. It was clear, but it really didn't stand out. These are definitely not bad if you are looking for the AirPods style alternative. They are priced at a fraction of the original AirPods and have many of the features that you would find in them. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.